In this video, I'll show you how to get unbanned from any Roblox games. First, open your web browser and go to the Roblox website. In the address bar, replace the current page with roblox.com/support and press Enter. This will take you to the Roblox support page. Once you're there, enter your email address and confirm it. Make sure you use an email address that you can access, as Roblox will send their response there. Next, under What device are you having the problem on? Select the device you use to play Roblox. For example, if you play on a PC, choose PC. Otherwise, select the option that matches your device. Now, under Type of Help category, choose Moderation. Then, select the option that best matches your situation. In the description box, you can write a polite appeal like this. After you've filled out all the required information, click Continue to submit your appeal. Once your request has been submitted, keep an eye on your email for a response from the Roblox support team.